it's just another dusty record on the shelf. Would you blow me off and play it like everybody else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you be the shack? Like if I get chicken track, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks. It's just the last girl that played me left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only write a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the hand. Just keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. And know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you. Come on, y'all. My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Oh, yeah, yeah. And turn me up when you feel low. It's nothing was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo. If I was an old school 50-pound old box, then would you hold me on your shoulder whenever you want? And would you turn my vacuum up in front of the cops and crank it higher every time they told you to stop? And all I ask is that you don't get mad at me when you had to purchase Mandy batteries. Appreciate every mixtape your friends make. You never know we come and go like going out in the state. I think I'll probably find a note to make you understand. If you can hear it, sing along and take me by the hand and keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite song. And know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you. My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. My thoughts in every note. Oh, yeah, yeah. Turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along like enjoy the rest of your trip. Shout out to my brother Joey of Good Nature. Please hang out with us. We're not strangers. We're actually